So you got vanilla clothing. There's no sugar, no spice, no anything nice, and well, you look bland and boring. I get it. You want to liven it up a little bit. That's what we're going to be talking about today. See, I don't care what's in your closet already. I don't care what fit you got already. These 6 tips that I'm about to give you is going to take your boring, bland, simple, basic, no sugar, spice, anything nice outfit and make it look amazing. Don't believe me? Let's go. Number 1, mismatched proportions. I've been doing this a lot lately and I freaking love it. And that's where you mismatch your fits, right? So you could do the bottom could be nice and fitted and the top could be oversized, or vice versa. The top is fitted and the bottom is oversized. This creates a little bit more visual complexity when they see your fits, which automatically makes you look on trend, more stylish, and as if you put more effort, even though you're wearing the same basic pieces. All you did was mismatch them based on proportion. Number 2, let the socks peek out. You see, boys, here's what happens. No-show socks, or like having that no-show look, yes, it's good for summer. But now it's winter. You want to cover up them ankles, the man ankles, and you want to use it with a contrasting fabric, whether that's a black or a white pair of tube socks. The cool part here is that it gives it a visual like pop to your aesthetic. And versus it being this very harsh contrast where you got this clean silhouette and then boom, bare ankles, you now have something that's more smoother on the eyes, and immediately, don't ask me why, but you can see it on camera, it visually looks pleasing. Number 3, add an accessory. Look what happens when I immediately throw on a bold gold watch on the wrist. Immediately it looks better. That's what I love about accessory, why I always preach so much to put something on your wrist, because it's so easy to elevate a boring fit, especially when the watch, the watch just looks so money, but it's not expensive. See, the watch is from our sponsor, Movement Watches, and this is exactly what I love about them. See, it doesn't matter whether you love a classy automatic timepiece or you want something a little bit more bold, stronger, that really captivates, like this gold timepiece from Movement Watches. They got everything. Literally every style you can think of, they got you covered. Sports, metal link, chronograph, minimal, automatic watches, dressy watches, anything you can think of, they got you covered, and they got it at the lowest price possible, with some watches starting at $95. The crazy part is that they have a 2-year guarantee, so you know you're not buying something that's just cheap and gonna break. This is something that's gonna last you a while, and they're guaranteeing it because they're standing behind their product. This is why there's millions of men that have joined the movement. And if you've ever wanted to pick up a watch, right now, this is the time to do so. You see, right now, they're gonna have a Black Friday and Cyber Monday sale where everything is 40% off. Look, they never go this much. Most of the discounts that you'll see online will be maybe 10, maybe 15%. But 40%? Yo, they are knocking off almost half the price on these already affordable watches, which means right now is the time to pick up as many watches as you can to start building your collection. You could probably pick up 3 watches and still not spend as much as you would in other brands and start building a collection. And, yo, buy them as gifts too. Like, you know how many people would love a Movement watch as a gift, whether it's a girl or a guy? They got you covered because they do both men's and women's, and you won't even have to break the bank for Christmas. It's gonna be a steal for you. In their heads, they're gonna think you went all out on them, but your boy hooked you up with a 40% discount. Now, the best part with Movement watches is that you can buy gift sets as well. So let's say you pick up that gold timepiece that you saw right now me throw on. Yeah, that's the same one. I changed it into a leather strap, and now I dressed it down a bit, right? It's not as bold. That's the cool thing with the strap. A strap will completely change how a watch looks, making it look like you got more watches than you really do. And since they come in gift sets, it's the perfect gift for somebody else and for you. So if you got boring fits and you want to spice him up, you want to make him look good, yo, throw on a nice watch. And it doesn't even got to be expensive, because if you click the link down below and check him out right now before the sale ends, you're going to get 40% off. Number 4, throw on a coat. This is why I love winter season, bro. Like, it is just too easy to look good. This is the season for you to pull out and shine. With an overcoat, you can make any fit. Look at this one. Immediately I throw an overcoat on, I look money. Like, I look like I really put in a lot of effort, and I did it. This is the time to shine, because when you start layering, it adds complexity. An overcoat just completely streamlines the silhouette of your outfit and makes it look way better. Number 5, dress 3 colors at a time. This just creates visual complexity to people that see you with your fit, which makes the outfits look as if you put in more effort than you really did. What it really means is that when you wear outfits, try to pick 3 basic colors and use those 3 colors throughout your outfit like you're seeing here. This immediately makes you look more stylish and as if you know what you're doing. See, once you get into 4 or 5 colors, it gets more difficult, and if you don't know what you're doing, you're gonna look like a stoplight. And 2 colors, it's bland, boring, and vanilla. Number 6, add some texture to your hair. Flat, boring hair will make any outfit look dull. Instead, buy some texturing powder, some sea spray, or anything that will give your hair that texture and that contrast that you're looking for. Because as soon as you throw it on, boom, immediately you're gonna get those natural hair curls or waves or whatever your hair looks like. Get that volume you look for, which instantly will make your overall style look more interesting than having dull, flat hair. And that's it. That's simple. You do those 6 things to whatever outfit you have. I promise you, you'll go from bland to stylish, and I want you to try it out. Drop me a comment down below and tell me I'm lying. Tell me I'm lying. There's no way you did not see that before and after right there. Yo, that's it for me today, boys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Movement Watches. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.